This is the female reproductive system. We're going to start off in the ovaries, and the ovaries make eggs and hormones like estrogen and proestrogen. And then in the fallopian tubes, it transports the ova from the ovary to the uterus each month, and it also transports fertilized eggs to the uterus. Now in the uterus receives fertilized eggs and supports it during pregnancy. Then we have the cervix. And the cervix, it must allow sperm to pass into the uterus and produce mucus to facilitate sperm entry. Then we have the vagina, and the vagina has 3 roles. It's where the penis is inserted during intercourse, it is the pathway for a baby to leave a woman's body, and it is the route in which period blood uses to leave the body. And then down here we have the labia majora, and that is a fleshy fold of tissue that encloses and protects the other external genital organs. Then we have the labia marina, and it is a small pair of folds that begin at the clitoris and extends down. And then we have the clitoris, and the clitoris is the pleasure center of the vulva. And with the clitoris we have a shaft, and the shaft extends the clitoris into the body. Then we have the prepuce. The prepuce is the inner folds of the vulva. Then we have our glans, which is a piece of skin beginning at the clitoral hood. After that, down at this little piece, we have the Bartholomew gland, and the Bartholomew gland's main function is to produce a substance that aids in vaginal lubrication. After that, we are going to go into the urethra, and the urethra transports urine from the bladder to outside the body. And then we make our way to the bladder, and in the bladder stores urine and is signaled when to release it into the urethra. Then we have our pubic bone, and the pubic bone helps support the body when sitting. Then we have our colon. The colon is the part of the large intestines, and its job is to reabsorb fluids and process waste. And then last we have the anus, and the role of the anus is to release bowel movements when the rectum is full. And this is the female reproductive system.